Hi. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this classic Homeopathic Materia Medica lecture discuss about homeopathic medicine Natrum sulphuricum by Dr. Farrington, MD. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Natrum sulphuricum, its uses and symptoms. Natrum sulphuricum would hardly have been used by members of our school had it not been alluded to by Boericke as the central remedy for his hydrogenoid constitution, that is, a constitution which feels every change from dry to wet, a constitution, too, which cannot tolerate sea air, nor can patients with this constitution eat plants that thrive near the water. They feel best on a dry day. It is this constitution in which, according to Boericke, the gonorrheal poison is most pernicious. It finds here the richest soil in which it may grow rank. Therefore he claims, that if gonorrhea occurs in such a constitution, to cure the patient not only of the local gonorrheal discharge, but of the constitutional effects, the constitution must be altered. This he does with two remedies, Natrum Self and Thuja. You will find Natrum Self especially indicated for ailments which are either aggravated, or dependent upon dampness of the weather, or dwelling in damp houses. You may think of Natrum Self also in the psychotic constitution of Homeo or the hydrogenoid of Boericke. It may even be necessary to give this remedy when there is no BO or urethral discharge to be seen. There is a kind of phthisis, not a true tuberculosis, which appears in those who have this constitution. The cough is attended with mucopurulent expectoration, loud rales are heard through the chest, and the seat of inflammation seems to be the lower lobe of the left lung. The patient complains of pain about the 9th and 10th ribs on the left side. Natrum Self also acts on the stomach and abdomen. It produces a great deal of flatulence, belching after eating, eructations being tasteless or sour. There is a great deal of rumbling of wind in the bowels, particularly in the right side of the abdomen, probably in the ascending colon. We find, too, a subacute pain in the ileocecal region, because it has some action on that portion of the intestinal tract. Associated with this, there is diarrhea, which comes on regularly in the morning, and returns quite regularly each day. Much wind is passed with the stools. It is distinguished from sulfur by this, with Natrum Self. The diarrhea comes on more in the forenoon after getting up, whereas with sulfur it hurries the patient out of bed. Natrum Self is also useful in affections of the left hip joint in patients of this hydrogenoid constitution. The pains are worse at night, and arouse the patient from sleep. They cease when he turns over in bed. Stellinia is useful for hip diseases in secondary or in inherited syphilis, with pains in and through the hip, worse at night and worse in wet weather. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Comment us your feedback. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com. and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.